Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be showing you favorite hair mask and conditioners that is suitable for Indian hair types. So let's get started. So the first hair mask is the L'Oreal Hair Spa. Now this one is suitable if you are having dry, brittle and very thick hair. This one you will come across in many salons as it gives a really nice sleek finish to your hair. This one contains water lily and has 2 years of shelf life. The second hair mask is from the brand Aranya. Now this is one of my favorites, and this is loaded with argan oil and traditional Indian herbs and is suitable for frizzy, tangled and dull hair. Now this brand is made from chemical free products. It's made from all natural products, and this also comes in a 2-year shelf life. So the next one is a conditioner from the brand OGX, and it's a hydrating macadamia oil conditioner, and it's amazing if you're having dry to brittle hair, and it's loaded with macadamia oil, sugarcane extract and bamboo extract, and it helps you achieve smooth and soft hair. This comes in a 3-year shelf life. The next one is a hair pack from my favorite brand Biotic, and it's 100% Ayurvedic. Now if you have experienced severe hair loss and you want to grow your hair again thick and long, then this one is amazing for the growth of your hair. Now this smells like mehndi. You need to combine this with either water or yogurt to make a fine paste and then apply it on your scalp and the length of the hair, and this comes with a 3 years shelf life. Now the next hair pack is from the brand Pearl Organic, and they are available on Instagram if you want to place any orders. Now this brand makes all the products using natural ingredients, like this one contains henna, amla, neem, tulsi, hibiscus powder, curry leaves, white turmeric, soap nut, and all the products that I mentioned are 100% natural, and they are free from paraben, fillers, chemicals, sulfates, synthetic colors and fragrance, which I absolutely love. Now the shelf life of this is 1 year. So once you open the packet, you need to transfer it into an airtight container for further use. Now to make the hair mask, you need to apply about 3 to 4 tablespoons of this hair pack depending on your hair length. I use about 4 tablespoons, and then I mix curd in it to make it a really nice paste. I also add essential oil, the tea tree one, because I have really flaky scalp and it helps with the dandruff, and I add about few drops of the tea tree oil as well, and then mix it up really nicely to a fine paste. Now to apply this hair mask, I first detangle my hair very nicely, because if I put the hair mask on the tangled hair, it makes it really difficult while washing my hair. So once I take off all the tangles from my hair, I divide my hair into two, like a top knot, and I first start with the bottom of my hair. So I usually start with my scalp first. I saturate my hair with the hair mask around the scalp area, and once I'm done with the scalp, I take little sections of hair and then put the hair mask along the length of the hair. Now I keep this mask on for about 40 to 45 minutes once it's nicely dried up, and then wash it off with water and mild shampoo. You should apply this mask for about twice in 1 month to see the results.